Community Open House is really the one time a year that we open the gates to the public. We showcase the latest research we're working on and give people tours of the farm on an old-fashioned hay wagon, allow them to drive a tractor, taste the berries that are coming out of our new variety selections, and get some farm fresh vegetables provided by local farmers.
Remember that universities are responsible for creating new knowledge, and a lot of it comes off right here. We're passing some of the greenhouses here where different trials are done.
Agriculture is one of the primary economic drivers in the region, including Clackamas County. Great facility. I think it's 150 acres that they have. Provides a heck of a service to the region in agriculture. We have 240 something crops in this region that we grow, and these folks make a difference in terms of how well we can grow our crops, how we protect the crops, and how we can hybridize, get better crops. I think that it benefits everybody.